Hey guys, hello from Crete. We officially made it to Crete yesterday. This is the first island in Greece we're going to be staying on. We're staying on an island called, well, it's spelled like Chania, but I think you actually call it Chania. And yeah, it's just like, it's one of the bigger islands, one of the southernmost islands. So it's about 23, I think, now outside. And we definitely overslept. It is 11, just after 11, and we went to bed at like 10. So yeah, I've been sleeping for a while. We're definitely gonna set an alarm. We figured for the first night we wouldn't set an alarm, but tomorrow we'll definitely set an alarm so we wake up like around 9 or 10. It's looking nice and sunny outside, so that's exciting for the day. But basically, we're gonna get ready. I'll give you guys a little room tour. We're gonna go get some brunch. Hopefully someone is still serving something like that. And then we're gonna also go to the supermarket, grab some groceries just for our Airbnb. And then we're just gonna basically walk around and explore for the day. And maybe if it's really warm, we might go to the beach yet as well today. But yeah, just gonna hang out, explore, and just see what this beautiful place has to offer. Alright, so we'll start the room tour here in the bathroom. So we've got a nice little vanity, lots of storage space down here, and then we've got a lovely rain head shower. So that's really nice. I've already taken 2 showers in like the 19 hours we've been here, and it's been lovely. And then here is our entryway. And then from the entryway, then you come into the rest of the room. So there's like a nice little desk here, a little fridge, and some coffee. And yeah, just a nice little sitting area. And then you walk into the main bedroom area, which also has a tub, really nice, right next to the window that faces out onto the street. So if we utilize the tub, we'll definitely be closing the curtains, but yeah, really cute view outside. It is a beautiful day. We have the window open, and yeah, that is about it. There's Jonah. We are just about to head out for the day, and we'll take you guys along. Okay, so we just finished off brunch and we're gonna head over to the lighthouse that is around here. It's a little windy, but the weather is beautiful. Brunch was good. I didn't actually end up having brunch because they were basically serving lunch, and what Jonah had was actually a dessert, the pancakes. But yeah, it was really good. We're just gonna do some more exploring and just kind of walk and do lots of walking today. And yeah, we'll just take you guys along. back to our Airbnb. We spent a few hours out exploring, getting some gelato, and just, yeah, seeing everything in the area. It is so beautiful here. The architecture, the colors, the harbor, like the ocean, just right there. It is just, everything is just beautiful. Every little corner just has some like hidden gem. Yeah, just so fun walking around and just seeing something new and different around every corner. But yeah, we just stopped at a little supermarket and we grabbed some bruschetta, we grabbed some salami and cheese, just to kind of have here at the Airbnb. We don't have any like toaster oven or microwave or anything like that, so we just needed something we could snack on in between meals if we come back. So yeah, we're just back at the Airbnb right now. We're just resting, taking a little break. I'm gonna upload some things to Instagram, and then we're gonna probably just head back out, explore, maybe do a little bit of shopping. I want to get maybe like a tote bag. I love getting like a tote bag from places we've traveled, or just some little souvenir, and then probably go for dinner as well. But yeah, just gonna chill for now, and then we'll see you guys later. Alright, so we finished resting up a little bit. We're gonna head back out for dinner. It is about 6 o'clock now, and I did like a little outfit change. I'm wearing a little romper. You won't be able to see it super well, but wearing a little romper, and then yeah, we're gonna go have some dinner and do a little bit of shopping. So yeah. Alright, so we are on day 2, well, day 3 technically, but this is our second like full day here on the island of Crete, and we're just gonna go out and grab some breakfast. We woke up earlier today. I filmed some Airbnb content before, yeah, we're gonna head out, but it's looking like it'll be another nice day, so really excited for that. We're gonna go find some food, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Hello. Okay, so we just got back from doing some more exploring. We went to the beach. We have done a lot of walking once again. We went and just like hung out at a cafe for a bit and just kind of relaxed. Now we're back at the Airbnb, and I'm gonna eat some of the snacks we bought yesterday. So we bought this bruschetta flavored baguette, little crisps, and we bought this cheese. I already had a little bit of it. I have no idea what kind of cheese it is because it's all in Greek, but I just tried it and it is really good. And then yeah, some salami. So I'm gonna just snack on that while we kind of recoup before we go back out for dinner. And like the rest of the evening, we're gonna go try and catch the sunset at the port. We went bad timing for dinner yesterday, and so we ended up being stuck in dinner right during the sunset. So we're gonna try and go catch that today. And then tomorrow, we're probably gonna try and find a beach, or we'll find a park to just hang out at. We're not really sure because it's supposed to be kind of cloudy tomorrow, but the weather is very like up in the air. I think just because it's close to the ocean, like sometimes it says it should be sunny and it's like raining, and then sometimes it's like says it should be cloudy but it's sunny. So we'll just kind of go with the flow. Whatever the weather does, we'll just plan accordingly, and yeah. Hey guys, so it's been a pretty chill day. We headed to the cafe early in the morning, ate there. Jonah was very disappointed in his selection there. But I mean, it's not really anything new. He's been a little disappointed with a lot of his restaurant choices this trip so far, unfortunately. But we've had some really good food as well. I've enjoyed almost all my food. It's been incredible. But yeah, after that, we just headed into town and went to find the bus station. We finally located a station where we could buy tickets and go to one of the beaches we wanted to go to. It's called Golden Beach. So we headed there for the day, spent some time there. It was super nice. Even though it was like a little bit overcast, the weather was still super, super warm. It was like plus 27. So really nice to just relax and be at the beach. So yeah, we did that. And then we headed back here. We took a wrong bus. Thankfully, Jonah caught it soon enough and we were able to get on the right one. We just had to wait a little bit longer and stuff like that, so it just took a bit longer getting back, but we made it back and we're gonna head out to dinner now and probably just head back in. We're pretty tired, and Jonah's gonna do some editing later this evening as well, so yeah, that's gonna be the day. Hey guys, it is officially our last day here on the island of Crete. So yeah, we're just about to head out and have some brunch, and then we're going to head back to the beach today. It's supposed to be really hot again, like up to like plus 28 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it's supposed to be really hot. So I'm gonna head back to the beach and then probably just come back a little bit earlier than we did yesterday, so we can maybe do a little bit more shopping and exploring some more of the streets before we leave. And then tomorrow we're up at 7 a.m. to catch a flight back to Athens and then fly from Athens to the next island, which I'll let you guys know more about in the next vlog. So yeah, let's go.